Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MYEC. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And as far as, what do I think about the chart? Well, it's all about perspective. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there, or you bought right there and you were hoping to sell within 5 minutes, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking kind of rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, the overall perspective, then the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And again, from the big picture perspective, that's the name of the game, building those higher bases, and that's how those overall uptrends are built. So on that note, the big thing here that happened, and the good thing, is that the price is maintaining in between this support zone that I talked about. I can't remember what day last week, but I mapped out this support zone here, and you can see that that is exactly where the price is kind of being stuck between right now, which is a good problem to have, because if this level does hold, so let's just say the price kind of bounces around here for a little bit more before starting to head back up. When you stop and look at it, well, you'd have this set of bases right here, which is higher than this set of bases, which is higher than this set. So if you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, you still got stair steps going in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. So yeah, not the the funnest activity, or the funnest action to see when prices are pulling back. But again, taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, the bulls still have that opportunity to build that higher base. If the price does break through there and head downwards, next key level of support to keep an eye on is definitely going to be that pink line right there, which is the 200 period simple moving average. Now, if the price breaks below that, or worse yet, starts to separate to the downside of that, at that point in time, that's a big symbol, or a big signal, that the bears are really starting to gain momentum and take back control. But I'm not saying that'll happen. At this point, it's not even close to happening. I mean, the price is still way up there. But those are going to be the next couple levels of support. But certainly speaking, what's going to make the chart look the best is if the price can continue to do what it's been doing and just kind of bounce around, this area of the chart, and then ultimately head back upwards and create that higher base. In regards to the levels of resistance, still up there at 0095 and 001. And to be honest, at this point in time, breaking levels of resistance, not really that high up on the priority list. Top of the priority list is simply just building a higher base and, going through that healthy consolidation, which means staying up above the level of support. And so far, so good. So we'll see if the bulls can continue to do that this week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.